Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 13th of August 2025. The US Dow Jones increased 1.10%, settling the day at 44,458.73, while the Nasdaq ended the session at 21,681.90, increasing 1.39%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 43,302 and Hang Seng is trading at 25,176. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,630, indicating a start in the green for the Indian market. FII sold 3,398.80 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 3,507.93 crore in the last trading session. India's July CPI inflation came in at 1.55% versus previous of 2.10%. Tariff hike impact: Basmati exports to US dropped 13% in April to July, set to hit further. Now talking about global aspects, US CPI held steady at 2.7%, slightly below expectations of 2.8%. Oil prices deep as market awaits EIA report. WTI down 1.24% to $63.17 a barrel, and Brent fell 0.77% to $66.12 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 97.88. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.32%, down. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices ended lower after a volatile session as investors awaited inflation data from India, and the US July CPI in India is expected to fall to 1.76%, below the RBI's 2 to 6% target range for the first time in over 6 years, raising hopes of a possible rate cut. Markets also tracked global developments ahead of the Trump-Putin meeting. Outlook for today: Nifty 50 ended in the red after facing strong resistance near 24,700, which remains a key hurdle. The index is trading below its 21-day and 55-day EMAs, both near 24,800, making this zone crucial for any trend reversal. On the downside, support is at 24,400, a break below may lead to 24,200. Given the weak outlook, positional traders should adopt a sell-on-rise approach until clear signs of recovery emerge. Bank Nifty declined sharply after facing resistance near the 55,500 to 55,600 zone, aligning with the previous day's high. The index is hovering near its 21-week EMA and continues to form lower highs and lower lows, indicating a weak structure. To turn bullish, it must sustain above the resistance zone. On the downside, support is at 54,800, a break below may lead to 54,300. A sell-on-rise strategy is recommended for traders. Stocks on the radar: bullish view, MFSL, Max Health, Granules, Coforge, HCL Tech. Bearish view, Amber, Voltas, Page Industries, Kalyang Jewelers, Godrej Prop. Trade of the day is bullish on Biocon. Buy at 354, stop loss 341. Target 380. Rationale: bullish reversal. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purposes. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.